So, I just got done washing it, and I love it. It is beautiful. So yeah, I've talked about it already. It really just, the front bumper being smashed up and cracked and the wing being heavy and all that stuff. It really kind of shows that off. I was just thinking now, like, I feel like this car could pull off a carbon bonnet now. I feel like with this, I think there's enough silver that it almost needs to be broken up. So I wouldn't feel as like in the past. So I saw one come up and I probably should have bought it. I think it was 1200, but it was a VIS? Yes, it was a VIS like with the extra, like the 3 vents, and it's a really aggressive one. So I think it would look really cool. But at the time, I didn't really want to spend the money and whatever. But yeah. So I'm gonna keep an eye out. There's always part outs and stuff. So just jump on one of those, and yeah, it's definitely one of those things that the car is going to get expensive. But I actually went to look at a new car this week and came really close to buying it. Completely different car to what this is, and that was kind of the reason why I decided against it. I just came from an 86, a Scion FRS, whatever you want to call it. And the reason why, one of the main reasons why I wanted the Subaru was, well, one, I wanted a faster car, so I was thinking about turboing, and I was like, well, these are turbo versions of them, engines. And then I was like, I like the idea of being able to put my friends in it and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah. So I ended up buying one of these, and then I was back looking at a rear-wheel drive 2-door coupe, which I may buy at some point. One of those. It's a kind of a bucket list car. Like this was, I always wanted to have a Subaru or 4-wheel drive, 4-door thing. But
so I've come to the conclusion, just a rotten piece of fruit. So I'll end up dying slowly, rotting away. See, I just want to be.
Boy here.
You want to be on when you're going to do your lifestyle, you want to do a bit of wiping?
yeah, that's good. Oh, it's class. They're now old, so they're more hard to clean up. You didn't even use the metal polish yet, did you?
No. Just the Gugan.
Yeah.
Sponsored by Gugan.
You're probably going to the other side there.
So we're working on our crappy little Japanese Subaru. Should have bought BMW. They don't have any issues.
No. It's just trying to be a BMW. It's quietness. We're here at Cole Harbour.
Cole Harbour Customs.
Pulled off already, because the engine's already been out. This is a Subaru, so that made it easy. Love the assistant here. What up? Yeah, and then got the old head off there. Yeah, so our plan is to I'm going to try and take the standard exhaust off all in one go. So, and then we can always put it on the ground. And if we have to cut holes, we can cut holes on the ground, because I'll need to take it apart to store it. But
Are you going to sell it?
No.
I'm not going to sell the car with that on it, I don't think.
Yeah, that's fair.
Because you never want to get like $700 more for the car.
Yeah, I get you.
It was different with the 86 because it came with it, and it would have been a shame to make that less cool. But
Yeah, it's not worth it.
I just don't think I'm going to get the money back. So
That's fair.
and it's actually like a negative for some people, because
Yeah.
it's an exhaust on it.
Yeah, kind of.
So just trying to locate it. There's a hanger there. There's a couple along there, and yeah, those bolts are pretty rusty on the exhaust themselves. Yeah. thing I find always works quite well on the hangers themselves is WD.
Oh, it's rubber?
Yeah.
Not a bad idea, actually, yeah.
Yeah. I know it's probably not unreal for rubber, but
Same thing.
it doesn't seem to do any harm. I did it on the car years ago and it's been fine. Because you see a lot of people online and they're like struggling with them for like 10 minutes.
I love that, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'll probably just have to jack the exhaust a bit. I'll probably just move on to the front to make sure I don't go too far. So I've got 2 hangers off. That just drop down straight away. Yeah, that's.
Look at this bad boy. Like a streamlined butterfly.
So many shiny holes.
So I've come to the conclusion, just a rotten piece of fruit. So I'll end up dying slowly, rotting away. See, I just want to be able to climb without a fall, to get out of this maze.
Handiness.
You should definitely do a little tools you're going to need for this job.
Oh yeah.
And then have like shit couch pillows.
You need a big room
Yeah.
in your apartment. So I'll go over here and get out of the way. Not too bad.
Do you want me to polish this one up?
Yeah. Like where you say it's not a bad exhaust.
Definitely. I mean, getting the other one up beside it and showing the size difference. would be cool.
Yeah. Hopefully also to show that they're the same, that they'll actually fit.
Yeah, that's a good point. So,
Yeah, that one goes there. That looks about right. There's no hanger on that bad.
yeah, sure.
He's a big boy, he doesn't need it.
Yeah, oh, there's hanger on this. That's the hanger.
Oh yeah, it's just slightly further down.
Yeah, not too bad.
It looks.
I don't know, where do you want to like lay this out so that it's maybe just that and then one of the ones up beside it maybe, and
Yeah.
we won't bother what to do. It's a nice polished one, yeah.
Yeah. Should do the honors. Oh, that does look good.
Yeah.
I mean, it's cool. Like,
Yeah.
wow, it came up really good.
Doesn't
Doesn't
it?
it? Looks pretty much new. It's class.
Bad
I
ass.
can't wait to get it on. So, yeah, I'll just start putting it together, I guess. Not too bad.
Think it's probably easy to build it off the car?
I'd say not. I don't want to mess around with this one. I'm thinking about putting it on the car. What do you think?
I would say build this onto
Do
this
that
first.
first, then that, anyways, yeah. But I think just the cannons, I don't want them scraping around.
Yes. Will
But
we?
yeah, that's a good shout, actually.
Will we polish this one up really quick so and
If you want, Jeff, I can do this one, I suppose. Cool lad. Yeah, that is the cool. One of the cool parts you're going to see. What you want to do is you want to put it together. Or maybe you don't. We're going to find out. Maybe this guy took it apart for a reason, but I'm not looking forward to taking the other one apart. Yeah. So yeah, this is what I was basically doing on the car. Especially with the one up here, we just sprayed both of these, and it just makes it so much. Probably not going to be that easy now because I'm showing the book. They just pop straight off. Whereas anyone who's done this before, you'll know if you raw dog it, it'll take you half the day. Always lubricate.
YOLO.
Because you just be like, just do the job.
Yeah. I like I understand, like, 'cause this is a nice, easy job as well.
Yeah, this is one of those like.
If it was like, you know, doing the suspension in my yoke, that's a different story.
Yeah,
Personal.
that would have been funny though.
Yeah, that would have been funny.
Look at it there. I was literally just thinking about that when I was making the video. I was like, oh, I wish I got filmed Dan today. Or Alan today.
Okay, where's the exhaust under here? See it?
Will I hang this one first?
If you can, yeah. That'll be more real.
See it?
That help you? It's kind of cool with just one. But I'm looking forward to see both on it.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah. So we ran into our first bit of confusion. We were trying to put it back on with the spring and had nothing about it. And then Alan noticed or checked that the differences in the flange, and we can't really see it now, but it's much thicker. We really probably should have looked at how to do this because, like I said, we're not breaking new ground here, but I'm pretty sure you run these without the spring or you run different bolts. We don't have different bolts, so we're just going to run it without the spring for now, see how that goes, and I'll probably get some nice stainless bolts that will work so we can just tighten it up.
Still going to give us the pops and the bangs.
Yeah,
That's all
we
we
might
can
get a
do.
few out of the middle, the bonus ones. So yeah, we're putting this back on now. You just put your hangers. I find it easiest to put them on right now. Put the other one on. It should be pretty easy just to slip it on, and then you can do it with your bolts and your gaskets.
And run, please strike me thunder. Let me get closer to the light. Please strike me thunder. So I can be free.
It looks pretty cool. Yeah, definitely looks cool. Can't really see one front. It'll look cool when it's on, but yeah. I do like the old ones, but this is gonna look good. So yeah, the exhaust is pretty much buttoned up. Just waiting on the new bolts, so just tidied up because I'll need to run out to let them in. But yeah, I definitely think it looks cool. Like I like to see it on the ground. Say that time, is it? Good timing. Take that. Yeah, so I'll do a few pops and bangs.
Oh yeah. Pops and the bangs.
Sounds good or good enough? The initial reaction's always going to be the best stuff, hopefully.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So just like spitting flames then.
That's just right, it's still very quiet though. It's like being a yeast, isn't it? Hey, it's pretty sweet. Yeah.
Do you know what? Actually, no, that won't work.
It looks so good.
It does look so good. It does look
It
lovely.
looks really good on the ground. With the wheels, like it's very, it's nice and loud now, like to look at.
Yeah, it's
As
lovely.
much as I like the four, I do like the two big ones.
I like the spoilers when it just
Every-
really
yeah.
takes off the back of it.
It's consistently just got the more old school Japanese.
Loads of lovely things.
Huh?
Loads of lovely things.
I know.
And you got the number plate.
6'9".
All of us number plate.
Oh, that looks so good. It looks way wider.
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah, it's back, it kind of kicks the two.
yeah, it just kind of scales everything in the spoiler. Everything just looks
Yeah.
more.
You can get some nice shots of this.
Yeah.
I'm
quite happy with that.
Yeah, that's fast. Very fast.
It's a very successful couple of weeks for this car.
Actually, that's. I know you get the bumper as well, which is really fun.
Hopefully, yeah, it comes out good, and then have a bonnet as well potentially.
That would be sweet.
Yeah, it's just the wing. But the wing's not the worst.
Yeah. Right, you want to move some of the stuff out of the way to get the video?
Lots of turbo noise. Way more turbo noise. Nice pop. I mean, it's still very quiet, but it's nice.
It's very nice, yeah.
It's just enough. Well, maybe we'll need the downpipe.
Sure look.
But it has more grunt for sure.
Yeah, it's nice. I really like it.
Yeah. I would definitely want to hear. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like from the outside.
Quick.
Oh yeah, should get used to it. Annan's going to take it for a drive so I can hear it. That sounds unreal. It feels way more responsive because you can hear it, you know what it's doing.
Yeah.
It's just. Way more box rate.
That's class. Fucking quick.
Yeah, it's your first time in it, isn't it? Going
Yeah.
It is quick.
It's very quick.
Yeah.
There's so much grip as well.
Yeah, it's class.
Should I keep my hand a little bit more steady?
Yeah.
These are grippy enough tires now, in fairness.
Not bad.
Yeah.
It'd be class if we could set up a slalom here.
Oh, some crack. Some crack. There's a car going
Yeah.
up here now.
This, how it came out. There's some adjustments to do. It's definitely sagging a little bit on one side. I'm not sure why that is. Yeah, but fuck me. I'm extremely happy with how it turned out. So yeah, it's definitely class though. Yeah, it's so close. Pretty funny. We're coming down and yeah, my brakes started shaking. I really need to get new front brakes. They're not really dangerous or anything, but Alan was like, thought it was the burble, and I was like, no, that's my brakes. And I was like, yeah, I've just gotten new expensive wheels and new exhaust and all that shit, and I still haven't done my brakes. That's it. So, the successful mod is. With the drive and all, so we've been out driving for about an hour. I think we started around 6, so it took about 3 hours to just do it, running to get the parts and all that. And, we were trying hard to get the bolts, but would have done super fast if it wasn't for that. I'd say, it would have been, it'd probably take you about 30-40 minutes if you didn't run into that issue. So, we tried different bolts, all that kind of crap. So, yeah, I'm really happy with the car. Like, it sounds class. It was really fun seeing someone else driving it as well. So, yeah, static. That's it for another day. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.